In this video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of mystery shopping. So, grab a pen, get ready to take notes, and let's unlock the secrets of this lucrative side gig. So, what is mystery shopping if you're new to this side hustle? It's a gig where you get paid to evaluate and review different businesses without them knowing you're a secret shopper. This can range from retail stores and restaurants to hotels and even movie theaters. Benefits of mystery shopping. First off, you'll get paid for doing something you already love. Who doesn't love shopping? Plus, you're essentially being reimbursed for your purchases, so it's a win-win. Secondly, you'll have the chance to experience VIP treatment, as companies want to ensure their customer service is top-notch. That means freebies, discounts, and much more the longer you stick with it. Earnings potential. Now, let's talk about the earnings potential. While it varies depending on the gig and assignment, mystery shoppers can earn between $8 and $25 per hour. In addition, some shops provide reimbursements or offer higher pay for more complex assignments. It may not replace your day job, but it definitely adds up if you do it consistently. Tips for mystery shopping. Here are a few tips to help you succeed. First, sign up with reputable mystery shopping companies like Bestmark, IntelliShop, or my favorite 8th Power. These platforms connect you with various opportunities and ensure you get paid for your work. Second, read the instructions carefully before heading to a shop. Each assignment has specific requirements, so paying attention to details is crucial. And finally, always be professional and discreet during your mystery shopping visits. Remember, you're an undercover shopper. Cautionary advice. Now, before you dive headfirst into the world of mystery shopping, here's some cautionary advice. Be cautious of scams, never pay to become a mystery shopper, and avoid companies that promise unrealistic earnings. Additionally, carefully track your expenses and earnings for tax purposes, as mystery shopping income is considered self-employment. And there you have it, an introduction to the captivating world of mystery shopping. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss future episodes. Until next time, happy shopping and keep